Okay, so I just came out the shower, so now I'm going to do my hair. So first I'm going to start with the It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. Let's put this all over my hair. And then I'm going to take some of the Redken Anti-Snap. This is the extreme version. This is the leave-in conditioner. Well, actually, yeah, it's an anti-breakage leave-in treatment. I take a good amount. So I like a side part, so I'm gonna part this out. And so I'm gonna do a part like this, and then I'm gonna just comb it out in the direction that I want it. So it looks something like this. We look real crazy, but we're gonna look cute in a second. Now I'm just taking some gel, and this is the Eco Styler gel. And I'm gonna start on this side. Then I'm gonna take my edge brush.
This or hear this, that you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things.
I'm gonna give myself basically 2 baby hairs, and then I'm just gonna put some more gel on the back.
3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was gonna make.
Then from the front, I'm gonna swoop it down, like kind of onto my forehead. So this is how I did it. Now I'm gonna go tie it down with a do-rag so that it can be very slick, and then I'm gonna let it dry down. So be right back. So I just took the head wrap off, and this is what it's looking like. So that is how I do my short hairstyle. That is how I get it all slicked down and nice. So thank you guys so much for tuning into Vlogtober day number 4. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.